Okay, had to do a video on this. I'm working on a furnace for a customer and just found several things wrong with this one that sometimes you can find one part defective. This one was worked on before and surprises me what I'm seeing. So you're looking at the burner assembly right now out of this furnace. And the first thing is whenever it was apart at one time, someone put the electrodes back in upside down. And of course the burner itself is faulty because it's rusted out, but that's just because of use. Next thing we find is in the orifice, right down in there, is an insect. There's a bug in there. It might be hard to see, might be hard to focus on, but down inside that hole there's a tiny little spider plugging the orifice, not letting it get gas. Third thing is, when someone had this apart before, whenever they did put the electrodes back in upside down, they never mounted them the whole way. That's on there crooked, doesn't have both of the mounting screws in it, so that would have been leaking combustion back through the electrode hole. So we're going to get this all fixed up, get it running the way it should, and we'll be good for the winter. Have a good afternoon.